The Fessmann Rotatherm Carat is a batch oven for roasting, baking, and cooking. At temperatures of up to 250 degrees Celsius or 480 degrees Fahrenheit, several roasting programs can be executed for top quality results. The Rotatherm Carat turns the trolley within a vertically flowing stream of hot air or steam, guaranteeing absolute uniformity. The trolley has up to 75 millimeters loading distance between the layers, which guarantees maximum capacity independent of product size. The Fessmann Rotatherm Carat combines innovative trolley rotation with a centrally focused airflow from 3 vertical air slots. Perfect product quality with strong, intensive coloring is the result, as well as a crispy exterior with traditional oven-roasted flavor and no burning. Maximized uniform heat transfer allows for roasting temperatures of up to 250 degrees Celsius or 480 degrees Fahrenheit. As a result, product weight loss is reduced by more than 50% in comparison with conventional roasting ovens. Amortization in less than 6 months is made possible alone by product weight loss reduction. Use of the specially designed Rotatherm Carat shortens production times by up to 25%, enormously reducing labor and energy costs. In summary, the Fessmann Rotatherm Carat is used for roasting, baking, and cooking high-quality products. Short production times at high temperatures reduce product weight loss by up to 50% and result in time savings of as much as 25%. Optimized oven loading efficiency increases your capacity by up to 100% in comparison with standard roasting ovens. With Fessmann smokehouses, you're always one step ahead of the competition. Fessmann wishes you bon appétit.